Binanatan mga kababayan ng ating Pangulong BBM. BBM. Yung mga destabilizers sa kanyang speech mga kababayan doon sa graduation ng mga cadets ng Philippine Military Academy. Ganon ba niya Mr. Maravillas? Ganon nga po matapang yung banat ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. Pero niya Mr. Maravillas, di ba nandun yung anak ng destabilizer? Nandun po.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu na lipunan. Bulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Nagipagbiso-biso pa sa ating Pangulong Bongbong. Para niya Mr. Maravillas, plastic yung yung smile.
Parang
Ikaw niya Mr. Maravillas, inintriga mo naman niya Kahapon pa naman may rally doon sa Liwasang Bonifacio na ang panawagan, Inday resign. Hindi man po as Vice President, kundi nag-rally yung mga Marcos loyalists. Ang panawagan nila, Sara resign as DepEd Secretary. Ayan pa, marami rin pala yung pumunta doon. DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte resign. Yan ang panawagan po doon sa rally. Anya Mr. Maravillas, di ka ba na-invite? May nag-invite sa akin po na pumunta doon. Kaya lang po, busy tayo. Hindi tayo nakaluwas ng Maynila. Marami tayong ginagawa dito sa province. Dito na muna tayo. But we support, mga kababayan, yung panawagan para sa pag-resign, mga kababayan, ni Inday. Kasi wala mang nangyayaring maganda sa DepEd. Diba? But anyway, balik tayo dito sa ating kwento. Yung mensahe ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa graduation ceremony, mga kababayan, ng Philippine Military Academy. Ito siya, Bongbong Marcos Islam's destabilization plots at PMA graduation. Kinundi na niya po, mga kababayan, yung tinawag niyang blatant attempts at destabilization. So sabi niya po, this is... But before ko, mga kababayan, bigay sa inyo yung full story ng mga balitang yan, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video at huwag na rin po ninyo na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-unlad ng bagong Pilipinas. Sa mga naganap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta na lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab car rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and Meralco Bills, Aleco Bills, PLDT, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Gilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Na-set up na rin yung aming mga bagong gym equipments. May treadmill na rin po kami. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas. Ito naman po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses and affected area. Mainam po siya sa mga pains, mga paninigas na mga kaso-kasuan. Pinapahid-pahid lang po siya sa mga pulses. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Ningxia Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravillas. Niya a time of birth pains. Sadly, of opportunism, blatant attempts at destabilization, and last-ditch efforts to cling to the rapidly disappearing past. Sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, oportunista niya. Makita niya, Mr. Maravillas, biglang lumabas yung yung mukha ng Vice Presidente. Biglang pumasok po. Yan po yung sabi ng ating Pangulo. This time, anya, of birth pain, sadly, of opportunism, blatant attempts at destabilization, and last-ditch efforts to cling to the rapidly disappearing past. So, makita ninyo, mga kababayan, in the past, dinadownplay ng ating Pangulong Bongbong yung mga reports ng destabilization. Pero ngayon, ina-acknowledge na mismo ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang presence po ng destabilization sa kanyang administrasyon. Bakit niya, Mr. Maravillas, ganon yung naging speech ng ating Pangulong Bongbong? Ito, reading ko lang po. Nandun kasi si Inday. Kaya diretso na mga kababayan na sinabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Sinabi na mismo sa pagmumukha. Yan ang ating Pangulong Bongbong. Pakinggan natin yung kanyang speech, mga kababayan.
The all-important parents and loved ones, mentors and supporters of our PMA graduating class, my fellow workers in government, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to you all. Today, I extend my congratulations to the 278 strong graduating cadets of the Philippine Military Academy's Bagong Sinag class of 2024. We are proud to see you parade as cadets for the last time. I'm pleased that this batch has produced female cadets who have standing performance, many of whom proudly swarm the elusive list of top 10 performers and special awardees. Let us all congratulate this year's valedictorian, Cadet First Class Janet B. Elumba, a proud daughter of Surigao City. I share with your parents. The immense pride and joy that I know they are feeling right now. Tomorrow, it will be the people's turn to welcome you on your first tour as commissioned officers. Sa pagbaba ninyo sa kanila, alam kong dala-dala ninyo ang tanglaw ng bagong sinag na akma ninyo ipinangalan sa inyong hanay. The race that will not only blaze the path of your careers, but will illuminate the good, the feats, and be a source of enlightenment. You have fought hard, and for that cherished spot that you now occupy in the long gray line of torchbearers of freedom. And as you consecrate your lives to the defense of the Republic, I know you will neither fear nor falter, nor will you fall back. For you are products of the best military school in the world. You come a great tradition of excellence. This academy has not only trained you to be proficient in warfare, but to be the champions of the welfare of our people. Because soldiering now is no longer limited to defending territories, but to improve the lives of the people who live there. This is what you have signed up for in your military career, for which you have the simplicity and the safety of civilian life. This and honor code are your non-negotiables. Like those who have come before you. You will forgo the comforts of home, so our people will be secure in theirs. You will endure physical separation from your loved ones, so that families can live in peace in communities that you will protect. Your sacrifices will not be in vain. Your gallantry will not be squandered by those who benefit from it. More so if they see that you have adhered to the following tenets of your calling and the demands trust that you hold. You will respect civilian authority. You will protect the liberty of our people. You will defend the sovereignty of the state, and you will ensure the integrity of the national territory. You will abide by these words, even in the most trying of circumstances. When rations grow thin, morale is low, let these words continue to sustain you. It is this very sense of mission which makes your profession most noble.
So hindi lang po yung destabilization, yung mga destabilizers ang nabanggit ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, kundi pati yung threat sa ating territory, our national sovereignty. Kasi konektado po siya, mga kababayan. Itong mga destabilizers, mga pro-China ito. Di ba? So yun ang naging sentro ng mensahe ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. So sabi niya, we will vigorously defend what is ours. Marcos said the Philippines will abide by laws as it defends its territory against disrespectful intruders. Pero sabi niya, our conduct niya always guided by laws and by our responsibility as rules-abiding member of the community of nations against evolving threats that harm our people and corrode social and political trust. We will be adept, we will be flexible, and we will be ready in repelling such things. Sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong.
For when we say Bagong Pilipinas, we do not only mean a great nation yet to come. We also refer to a great nation that we are actively building one day at a time. Bagong Pilipinas is now being slowly born. This is a time of birth pains, sadly of opportunism, blatant attempts of destabilization, and last ditch to cling to the rapidly disappearing past. But we must be resolute. We must hold on. We cannot turn back. The people can see and feel the progress and peace which we have worked on for the past 2 years. The Southern Front has been relatively quiet. Development has replaced the blast of cannons and booms. What we are facing now are a blatant disregard of international accepted principle, deployment of weapons of mass destruction by parties who seek to drive a wedge between a united citizen. But people are not fooled. They can see through such schemes. So these attempts to divert our attention and dissipate our energy better spent on making the country should pay from the urgent tasks ahead. And that is to keep our people safe in their homes, our territory secure, our defenses against threats strong, and our democracy stable. You are now inductees in the national effort to attain the following. Against parties whose fossilized ideas have been rejected by a people tired of war, no quarter will be given. But we offer peace of the principled kind that will uproot the causes of social discontent. Against intruders who have been disrespecting our territorial integrity, we will vigorously defend what is ours, but our conduct always guided by law and our responsibility as a rules-abiding member of the community of nations. Against evolving threats that harm our people and corrode social and political trust, we will be adept, we will be flexible, and we will be ready telling such things. So to carry this out, our future cadets will have to be ready. To the PMA instructors, I recognize your hard work in providing responsive military education and ensuring that our cadets are equipped to become worthy protectors of our state. The PMA has long been a reliable institution in nation building. However, it needs to step up and take on the task of ensuring that the next generation of leaders in the country are ready for the emerging and future challenges. So I direct the DND and the AFP leadership to the PMA curriculum to ensure that our cadets will be with the 21st century skills necessary to counter conventional and asymmetric threats. In the digital battlefield, a clear vision for truth, integrity, and patriotism are necessary tools to combat attempts at disinformation and infiltration. And to all the members of the AFP, be assured that this government has a continued assurance in improving the welfare and morale of our uniformed officials and personnel, of course, to include your respective families. Kaisa ang lakas ng bagong sinag, sama-sama tayong maglalakbay tungo sa inaasam na mas mapayapa at maunlad na bagong Pilipinas. Once again, a snappy salute to the brave men and women of the bagong sinag class of 2024. Mabuhay ang Philippine Military Academy, mabuhay ang Republika ng Pilipinas.
So yun po mga kababayan, yung matapang na naging mensahe ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. We will defend. We will vigorously defend what is ours. Sabi ko sa inyo, yan ang totoong matapang na leader. So yan man lang po mga kababayan, yung short video natin. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless.